What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you're new, stick around as I'm building this 1973 FJ40. Quick update. I know it's been a few days since I was on here. Let's just say I got my butt kicked pretty bad. And it was so dejecting that I ended up taking a couple days off and actually shutting the shop down. And probably the first time in like 6-8 weeks where I didn't even come in here for like 2 days. I don't even know. So this, do not get these. They look cool, whatever, don't get these. Don't get them. If they have these idiot lights here, don't get them. So these things will send you on one heck of a wild goose chase, electrical wild goose chase. So just very simply, you got 12.5 volts coming out of the fused circuit. You pull the fuse out and you'll have 11.5 volts out there, out in the circuit with the fuse out. So I believe it has something to do with the power of these LEDs. But even these LEDs were all doing different things. When I pulled all the fuses out, disconnected all the grounds, still something was broken here. And so this thing had me tearing apart my circuits that I had done. Like, it was pretty frustrating. So I tossed this, got another one, and spent half the day yesterday completely disconnecting, labeling, and removing that fuse block and sticking in a brand new fuse block that is just a fuse block, power in, power out, nothing else, and fuses down the middle, relabeled the whole new cover, mounted up. Anyways, we're good to go. So I've tested all the circuits pretty much now. Got everything working, got the washer fluid working, neutral safety switch is working, reverse lights working. So everything that's integrated together is working, except for we had a little mishap with the dash. I don't know, like, I don't even want to point fingers. The dash had to go back to Dakota Digital. So it's a little frustrating. You wait 8 weeks, 10 weeks, whatever it was, and we finally got it, and then it had to go back for a little minor repair. So there's no dash. So anyways, so I'm going to show you a little quick walk around. But yeah, it's pretty much wired up and everything's working as it should. I haven't started it yet, so don't be mad at me that I haven't posted a video about started yet, because I legitimately haven't started yet. I haven't put gas in it. Does it crank? Yeah. Does it sound like it's mean? Yeah. Does it sound like she's ready to light off? Yeah. But we haven't put any gas in it yet. Gas is sitting right there. I got 2 gallons of premium sitting right there ready to go in it. But I just haven't done it. With all these electrical problems and getting everything ironed out, I just spent the last 2 days like fixing everything and getting everything right and finalized all the wire. And I can honestly say today, I am done wiring. I'm ready to lay carpet, insulation and carpet. And then it's just hook up the stereo stuff when I install the stereo in the console and stuff like that. So. But I need the dash back because I don't have any vitals for the engine. I don't know what anything is doing. So it would be nice if the dash comes back quickly. So, but anyways, quick little walk around. All right, so yeah, like I said, we're missing the dash. Hopefully they actually received it today. So hopefully it's a quick repair and comes back quick, but it's ready just to plug back in. All of these wires are just laid out where they need to go. I didn't put the AC cover back on because I need a black screw for it. Glove box door is ready to go back in, except for I'm missing a screw, so I ordered some new screws for that. There's still some loose wires here I need to tidy up, and under the battery I got to pull the battery one more time. But as you can see, the battery is in. The ECM is now mounted and clearing the steering. We got washer fluid in, we got coolant in, we got oil in, we got transmission fluid in, we got power steering fluid in. We got all the battery wiring is done. All the fuel tank is done, except for we're still missing the gasket for the filler neck right here. It got lost. It was supposed to be here Thursday. It's now Tuesday. So yeah. So then obviously we got everything back here. So, oh, the windshield. Yeah, so the windshield's back. But I'm gonna redo it, I think. There's too many flaws in the paint, and on the other side I buffed through in a couple places. On the other side there's just a couple spots that I buffed through to clear, and I'm at this point where I'm making it as nice and as perfect as possible, and I just can't let a flaw go like that. I gotta fix it. So yeah, so I need to pull this apart and probably tape off the glass and tape off the glass and sand it all down and start over. I got the green, I got the clear. So I just gotta sand it and do it again. So that's a little frustrating, but it's what happens, I guess. Anyways, that's already too long of a video, so stay tuned. It's gonna start. I want to go live, and I want to film it at the same time when I do it. So, but I think I'm probably gonna wait until the dash. But I do have to move this out, because next week I do have to work on the Caballero next week and get this head job together. Finally, all the parts are here. So, so I got next week blocked out for that. So I would love to start it before then. So I might start it just to see if it doesn't sound like it's got no oil pressure, and I might see if it moves. But anyways, till next time, God bless.